Hello everyone, welcome to the Akash tutorials. Dear friends, today we will learn about the order by clause. Order by clause is basically used to sort the data. Let us see how we can use it practically. So now we have the same table employee. Now you can see here I give you a situation. For example, I want to see the data employee name and their salary in the descending order. जिसका कि मतलब है कि जिसकी सैलरी सबसे ज़्यादा है उस पर्सन का रिकॉर्ड पहले आए, उसके बाद जिसकी सैलरी कम है उसका, and then so on. So in descending order, I want to see the record. So here I can use the order by clause. So select के बाद I want to see specific columns, so I will name only those columns, e-name and salary from employee. After that, you need to write down order by. Order by, these are two different words, remember. Order by salary. So now if you want to see the records in descending order, you need to mention DESC. So when you will write down DESC, so I make you understand the query. The query was, I want to see the employee name along with its salary in descending order of its salary. So select e-name, salary from employee. After that you will write down the clause order by, and order by के बाद आपको उस कॉलम का नाम लिखना है जिसके ऊपर आपने सॉर्टिंग अप्लाई करना है. सॉर्टिंग कैन बी असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग. सो इफ यू वांट टू see the record in descending order, so you need to write down descending, DESC. So here if you press enter, now you can see you have all the names of the employees in the descending order of their salary. You can see the 31,000, 21,000, and then we have 19,000, 16,000 and 11,000. If you want to see the record in ascending order of their salary, so you can write down ASC. Now it will reverse, it will sort the data in ascending order now. So you can see the result. So salary is, जिस employee की salary सबसे कम है उसका रिकॉर्ड सबसे पहले आ रहा है. So 11,000, 16,000, 19,000 and so on. Now for example, if I do not mention any order, descending or ascending, then what will be the answer? Or it will be an error? No, it won't be an error. Of course it takes the default value, and the default value is your ascending order. So simple syntax, whenever you want to sort the data is select, write down the columns that you want to see from table name, and then order by. Order by, and after that the name of the column on which you want to apply the sorting, whether in ascending or descending. After that you can mention. By default it sorts the data in ascending order. There's one more twist. Let me show you. Let me write down a query in front of you first. Let us see the table. So this is my table. For example, if I write down this, select star from, or let me write down the e-name, and let me write down the department, and let me write down the salary from employee, order by department. Now let us say I have written the department. Now when it will sort the data, of course it will sort the data in ascending format if I don't mention. So suppose I mention ascending. Now definitely it will search for the department where character starts with A. So no department starts with A, so then it will look for B character, then it will look for C. So we have two clerks now. which record it will show you first now. Now for example here what we can do, we can apply the sorting by using one more column. If in first column duplicate value comes, then if you want कि उस क्लर्क की सैलरी, अगर दो क्लर्क हैं या दो से ज़्यादा क्लर्क हैं, उसमें उस क्लर्क की सैलरी पहले शो हो जिसकी सैलरी सबसे कम है. सो यू कैन फर्दर राइट डाउन सैलरी असेंडिंग और इट कैन बी डिसेंडिंग ऑल्सो, इट इज़ ऑल अप टू यू. इस क्यूरी का मतलब मैं आपको एक बार फिर समझा देता हूँ. Select ename department salary. So it will show you 3 columns from employee table. First it will sort the data department wise. So definitely it will look for the department which starts from character A. So there is no such department. Then it will look for character B. There is no such department because when we have character data, so it checks the data or sorts the data the way we look into the dictionary. Okay, so clerk will be the department who will come first, but we have 2 clerks, so whose data it will display, so it will show me, then it will jump to the salary column whose salary is small because salary is also in ascending order. So you can press enter and you can see here clerk and then finance, because finance there is no duplication, so that will come itself. In the finance there is no jump to the salary column. Then we have 2 duplication in IT department, IT, two employees works in IT cell. So see 19,000 is the salary, lower salary, so that employee's record has come first. If I make it descending, so it will come, clerk will come, but the clerk whose salary is higher, that record will come at the top. So I hope you understand how we can use the order by clause, and in case you have the duplication in the first column, then you can use the second column also to sort, or you want to, the way you want to see the values. Hope you understand the lecture, and if you understand my lectures, you love my sessions, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much all.